two of the craziest flagships this year, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see how their spec sheets stack up. What's up guys, it's Mad Joe, and today we're putting the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra against the iPhone 17 Pro Max, side by side. On paper, one goes hard on raw chipset, RAM, and UFS 4.0 numbers, while the other leans into a triple 48-megapixel camera system and a battery rated for marathon video playback. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra runs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chip with 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage up to 1 terabyte. No micro SD slot. The 17 Pro Max uses Apple's A19 Pro with 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X and NVMe storage from 256 all the way up to a 2 terabyte option, plus widespread eSIM support. On displays and build, the S25 Ultra brings a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X QHD Plus 1440 by 3120 at up to 120 Hz, Gorilla Armor 2 glass, a titanium frame, IP68, and a built-in S Pen. The 17 Pro Max matches with a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED at 2868 by 1320 with 120 Hz ProMotion, Ceramic Shield 2 front and back, an aluminum unibody, and IP68 water and dust resistance. For cameras, the S25 Ultra has a quad rear sit-up, 200-megapixel main, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, 50-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto at 120 degrees, with video up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120. The 17 Pro Max runs a 48-megapixel Profusion triple system, main, ultra-wide, and 4x periscope telephoto with 8x optical quality zoom, plus LiDAR. And on video, it pushes 4K Dolby Vision, ProRes and ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, spatial video, and dual capture up to 4K. Battery-wise, the S25 Ultra packs 5,000 mAh with 45-watt wired PD 3.0, 15-watt Q2 wireless, and 4.5-watt reverse wireless, alongside 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB 3.2. The 17 Pro Max has roughly a 4,800 to 5,100 mAh pack, rated for up to 39 hours of video playback, supports fast charging to 50% in about 20 minutes with Apple's 40-watt USB-C adapter, MagSafe and Q2 wireless up to 25 watts, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and USB 3.2 Gen 2, but no reverse wireless. Both phones skip the 3.5mm headphone jack, both drop microSD expansion, and neither Samsung nor Apple includes a power brick in the box anymore. So for performance and memory, on paper, the S25 Ultra looks more aggressive with Snapdragon 8 Elite, higher RAM options, and UFS 4.0, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max leans into A19 Pro, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and huge NVMe storage up to 2 terabytes. For cameras and battery, the S25 Ultra plays the 200-megapixel quad setup with 8K recording, whereas the 17 Pro Max goes all in on the 48-megapixel Profusion system, pro-grade video tools, and Apple's longest-lasting iPhone battery claim. In the US, the S25 Ultra 256 gigabytes launched at about $1,299, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max 256 gigabytes started around $1,199. And this breakdown is strictly spec sheets and official claims, not a hands-on review or purchase recommendation. If you had to pick, are you Team Galaxy S25 Ultra or Team iPhone 17 Pro Max? Drop it in the comments and hit subscribe, like, and the bell so you don't miss the next flagship battle with Mad Joe.